armed with 3-inch-long rapier talons. The hawk eagle is designed for aerial interception. Snatching 10 or more bats every evening. Spurred on, the hornbills launch their aerial assault. But without the hawk's grasping talons, it ends in frustration. Time to consider a tactic better suited to his hardware. He repositions as close as possible to the streaming column of bats. With binocular vision to judge distance, and that precision beak, he needs to time it just right. He gives the first catch to his partner. He'll grab a half dozen more bats, and they'll be content. Only now has the full behaviour been caught on camera. Of all 54 species of hornbill, the oriental pied has the most diverse diet.